Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education kalapan bana bakala Pynkynriah no eka exam Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate bat eka Eksamin Secondary School Leaving Certificate syaka khat Tarik Naitung arjar way yak bala pelong kerpang tang na pentai kita kena school kibalai bet yak jikpang COVID-19 ya kanila pentep do menteri jo kapnat ke puli puthi uba la kemen remboy habai kran makila pathai kubor.
The notification regarding the exam for those candidates who miss the Ssslc exam and also the class 12 exam. There are about 92 candidates for class 12 who missed their exam because of this. They are in containment zone or high risk contact with the COVID positive patient. So the exam is from 12th of this month, July, till the 20th of July 2021. The same case for 98 students of Ssslc. The exam will be from the 12th of July till the 20th of July. So this exam routine have been published. So the student have to appear. There are two centers, one in Synod College Shillong, where 40 students will be appear, and one is St. Nis High Secondary School Shillong, where 25 students will appear. And for the class 12 exam, there will be only a center all over the state, that for 92 students. And for the class 10 in Shillong, there is one center, the Shillong 2 Government Girls Higher Secondary School. 32 students will appear in that center, and of course Cherapunji, Mapudok and other. So total center all over the state will be 18.
Kat kum kejing thu jong ne menteri kini ki artli ki Eksamin ki ba on sapen sedang biang na do ka khat Tarik on sapen kut no ha ka arpo Tarik Naitung arajar arpoi na pedeng kisan pusan hajar ngot ki khana skol ki be khon ya ka Eksamin Ssslc idan kendai puprangot ki belai bet ka jingpang COVID-19 kat ba ha ka Eksamin Hsslc kidan pat tang kendai puar na pedeng ki lai pho hajar ngot ki belai bet ya khyang jingpang COVID-19.
In Shillong there will be one, in Tura there will be one, in Nongpo there will be one, but other center wherever candidate is there, so there is no change of center, except in Shillong, suppose there are about 40 students, different centers, so we combine into one. Same thing with Nongpo. In Tura there is common girls, again 2 students for class 10, and for class 12 in Karo Hills area only in Bikeberry 1 student and 1 in William Nagar. There is no student who missed their exam due to this COVID-19. I cannot have 2 different norms for the same student. Number one, there are about 65,000 candidates of Ssslc exam who appear in this exam. There are only 98 students who are missed the exam. And there are about more than 30,000 candidates for class 12. And there are about only 92 students who missed their exam during this time. So this is a special exam. And result of the class 12 we have to declare before the 31st of July 2021. And if we didn't have, so we have to declare result for those students who have already appeared their exam. So it is very difficult. I know the situation, but I hope that students will understand, the people will understand that we are doing this for interest of the student, for their career, and also that it is mandated that result will be declared before the 31st of July 2021. It's not for me. After we get the report about how much percentage of those who have been vaccinated, then we will sit with the health department. Then, in consultation with the department, we'll take a final decision. As of now, it is for us as an education department to know how many students have been vaccinated. So this is the which will form the basis for opening of at least colleges. Student has lost so much time during this pandemic. This pandemic really affects the student. So we from our side, we thought that we have seen these online classes. It is very difficult for the student. So classroom teaching is a must. But we cannot take chance. So today I tell the additional CS for the education department to write to all the colleges to know how many students who are 18 years and above, I'm talking about colleges, who have been vaccinated. So when we get that report, then we will study. Maybe it will be safe to open the college first and school later. Because as you know, that Telangana has already opened its schools since yesterday, and there are some states also he is in the process of opening its schools. But health of the student is very, very important, and career also is more important. So to balance this both, so first of all, I want to know what is the percentage of the college student who are 18 years and above who have been vaccinated. Maybe we can take a decision that this college, we can allow them to go ahead to start this offline classes. So in maybe on Monday, the director will issue the notice, the letter to different colleges to ask about information regarding this, the number of vaccinated students. So after that we will see.